we? I think this is the beginning of a beautiful friendship.
You must remember this. A kiss is
More
just
recently,
a
I've been
kiss.
watching Scandal. Nothing crazy, just something with my girlfriend to enjoy, pass the time.
I like more the kind of drama TV shows.
I really like the show Lost.
Ladies and gentlemen, the pilot has switched on and fastened the seatbelt sign.
It's super long. I think it took me like 6 months to finish it.
Well, I would choose a series. International, I like Prison Break is my favorite.
My name is Michael Schofield. My brother is facing the electric chair. Framed for a crime he didn't commit.
I go with friends. Always been a fan of Friends.
Prison Break or Peaky Blinders?
Peaky Blinders. I like La Casa de Papel.
Es fundamental que la policía no tenga ni la más mínima idea de lo que estamos haciendo.
Game of Thrones also. Game of Thrones. These three. Top three.